Are you confused about choosing between an NVR and a DVR for your security system? Which system provides better video quality? Which option fits your budget? And most importantly, which is best for your home or office? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know. By the end, you'll clearly understand which CCTV system to choose. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about DVR. DVR stands for Digital Video Recorder. It works with analog CCTV cameras. Here's how it operates. 1. The analog camera captures the video. 2. The video travels through a coaxial cable. 3. The DVR converts the signal into digital format. 4. Finally, it stores recordings on a hard disk. Imagine DVR as the brain of the CCTV system. All video processing occurs within the DVR. Now, let's look at the advantages of DVR. Lower overall cost, easy replacement of old systems, suitable for basic security needs, but there are some disadvantages. Lower video quality, requires extensive wiring, lacks advanced features. Now that we understand DVR, let's explore NVR. NVR stands for Network Video Recorder. Unlike DVR, an NVR works with IP cameras. These cameras are smart and handle video processing themselves. They send video digitally through Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi. No conversion is necessary, resulting in higher image quality. Let's check the benefits of NVR. Crystal clear HD and 4K video. Easier installation process. Supports advanced features. Remote monitoring available. Motion detection capabilities. Face recognition for compatible cameras. However, there are some downsides. Higher initial investment requires a robust network setup. Let's compare both systems side by side. One of feature, DVR, NVR. Camera type, analog camera. Camera, video quality, but a Ceram 20p, 1080p, 280p to 8 megabits. Charts, cable type, coaxial, Ethernet. Installation, more complex, simpler. Smart features, limited. Advanced AI, remote viewing. Yes, faster and enhanced. Scalability, limited. Easy to expand. Reliability, good, excellent. For most new installations, consider choosing NVR for its modern advantages. Next, let's discuss the cost differences. For a DVR system, 4-channel DVR, RS2000 and RS4000 analog cameras, RS800 and RS2000, each complete setup. RS10000 and RS18000 for an NVR system, 4-channel NVR. RS3000 and RS7000 IP cameras, RS2000 SHAWs, RS6000, each complete setup. RS18000 hours, RS35000. While NVR is pricier, it offers better long-term value due to advanced features. Now let's look at which option is best for home use. If your needs include a house, apartment, or small shop, ask yourself, choose DVR if you're on a tight budget. Basic recording suffices. You have existing analog cameras. Choose NVR if you want superior picture quality. You need mobile access with smart capabilities. You aim for a future-ready system. For most simpler home setups, an NVR with IP cameras is the ideal choice. Now let's consider an office environment. For schools, hospitals, or commercial spaces, an NVR system is typically preferred due to its superior video quality, easy expansion options, advanced analytics, better remote access. Businesses benefit from these features, making NVR a worthwhile investment. Let's recap quickly. Choose DVR if you're on a budget. You're upgrading from analog. Basic surveillance meets your needs. Choose NVR if you want outstanding image quality. You're installing a new setup. You require advanced features. In summary, while NVR is usually the better option today, DVR remains viable for budget-conscious users or existing systems. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos on CCTV and technology. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and catch you next time.